Assalamu'alaikum Warahmatullahi Wabarakatuh. Today I will explain about linear equation and formulating mathematical sentence for word problem. My name is Exky Saputri. I hope you can understand it. The main point today. Number 1, linear equation in one variable. Number 2, formulating mathematical sentence for word problem of linear equation in one variable. Number 3, linear equation in two variables. And number 4, formulating mathematical sentence for word problem of linear equation in two variables. Next, number 1, linear equation in one variable. Next, let's have a look. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apples, and I was given 1, 2 apples. No, how many apples I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I have 7 apples. Suppose that apple is A. Now I can write 5 apples is 5A plus 2 apples is 2A equal to 7 apples is 7A. This expression 5A plus 2A equal to 7A, it is linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable. Definition: a linear equation in one variable is an equation which has a maximum of one variable of order 1. It is of the form a times x plus b equal to 0, where x is the variable. This equation, linear equation in one variable, has only one solution. Next, examples linear equation in one variable. Example number 1, 3 times x equal to 1. The variable is x. Example number 2, 22 times a minus 1 equal to 0. The variable is a. Example number 3, 12 minus 3 times d equal to minus 6. The variable is d. Example number 4, 6 times r plus 4 times r equal to 40. The variable is r. Example number 5, minus 7 times k minus 60 equal to minus k. The variable is k. Next, not linear equation in one variable. Example number 1, 2 times x plus 2 times y equal to 7. This expression is not linear equation in one variable, but linear equation in two variables, x, y. Number 2, 12 plus 5 times a equal to 3 times a to the power of 2. This expression not linear equation because the highest index of power of the variable a is 2. Number 3, 21 times n minus 5 times m equal to 15. This expression is linear equation in two variables. Number 3, 17 times k to the power of 3 minus 5 times k to the power of 2 plus k equal to 10. This expression not linear equation because the highest index of power of the variable k is 3. Next, standard form of linear equation in one variable is a times x plus b equal to 0, where a and b are real number and a and b are not equal to 0. Thus, the formula of linear equation in one variable is a times x plus b equal to 0. Next, framing linear equation in one variable from given word problem. Step involved in framing of linear equation in one variable from the given word problem are as follows. Step 1. First of all, read the given problem carefully and note down the given and required quantities separately. Step 2. Denote the unknown quantities as A, B, C, or Z. Step 3. Then translate the problem into mathematical language or statement. Step 4. From the linear equation in one variable using the given condition in the problem. And the last, step 5. Solve the equation from the unknown quantities. Okay, next, 2. Formulating mathematical sentence for word problem of linear equation in one variable. Number 1. The sum of two numbers is 58. One of the numbers is twice the other. Find the numbers. Write your answer as an expression. Solution. Let one of the number be x. It is given that second number is 2 times the first number. So, second number is 2 times x. The sum of two numbers is 58. Now, when we convert the statement into a mathematical statement, then the equation becomes x plus 2 times x equal to 58. Next, example number 2. The price of a visit to the dentist is $60. If the dentist fills any cavities, an additional change of $150 per cavity gets added to the bills. If the dentist finds n cavities, what will the cost of the visit be? Write your answer as an expression. Solution. So we are talking about the cost of the visit. So you are gonna spend $60 no matter what. And then you are gonna get an additional change of $150 per cavity. It tells us. The expression is 150 times n. So, let's see if you have n cavities, it is gonna be 150 150 times n. I can just write this as 150 times n. Now let's see if 60 plus 150 times n equals 0 makes sense. If you have no cavities, if n is 0, then you are just gonna pay your $60. But if you have one cavities, you are gonna pay your 60 plus 100 times 1. And if you have two cavities, you are gonna pay $60 plus $150 times 2. Next, example number 3. Doni earns $15 per hour delivering pizza. He worked for X hours this week. Unfortunately, he was charged $18 per late delivery in Friday. How much money did Doni earn this week? Write your answer as an expression. Solution. So if you see that he earns $15 per hour and he worked for X hours. Okay, he got he got $15 per hour times X hours. So that's how much he would have made, except for the fact that he was changed for a late delivery. So he had to take $18 out of his paychecks. So this is what he would have gotten paid based on his hourly wage and the number of hours he worked. But then he has that late fee that he has to pay. This expression is minus 18. So it is gonna be 15 times X minus 18 equal to 0 is how much he actually earned this week. Next, example number 4. Doni is twice as old as Rahmi. 12 years ago, his age was third of Rahmi. Find their present age. Write your answer as an expression. Solution. In this word problem, the age of Rahmi and Doni are unknown quantities. Therefore, as discussed above, let us first choose variables for the unknowns. Let us assume that Rahmi's present age is X years, since Doni's present age is 2 times that of Rahmi. Therefore, his present age can be assumed to be 2 times X. 12 years ago, Rahmi's age would have been X minus 12, and Doni's age would have been 2 times X minus 12. According to the problem statement, 12 years ago, Doni's age was third of Rahmi. And then, This expression is 2 times x minus 12 equal to 3 times open bracket x minus 12 close bracket. We have our linear equation in the variable x, which clearly defines the problem statement. Now we can solve this linear equation easily and get the result. Next, example number 5. There are 6 players on the Liverpool football team. The team scored a total 46 goals this season. One of the players, Mo Salah, scored 2 more goals than the average per player. How many goals did Mo Salah score? Write your answer as an expression. Solution. Well, let's think about the average per player, because we know that he scored 2 more than the average player. So, the average is going to be the total number of goals divided by the number of players. And they tell us that there are 6 players. So, this expression 46 divided by C is average per player. Total goals per player. Now we know Mo Salah scored 2 more than average per player, so we can just add 2 to that, plus 2. And that's how many goals Matthew scored. This expression is 46 divided by C plus 2 equal to 0. Next, 3. Linear equation in 2 variables. Next, let's have a look. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 apples. And I was given 1, 2 orange. Now, how many apples and orange I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4 apples and 1, 2 orange. Suppose that apple is A and orange is B. Now I can write 4 apples is 4A plus 2 orange is 2B equal to 4 apples and 2 orange is 4A plus 2B. This expression is linear equation in 2 variables. Because this expression have variables A and B. Next, standard form of linear equation in 2 variables. The standard form of linear equation in 2 variables is represented as A times X plus B times Y plus C equal to 0, where A, B, and C are real numbers, and A, B, and C are not equal to 0. The numbers A and B are called coefficients of the equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0, and the number C is called the coefficient of the equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0. The two variables are in the x and the y. Next, examples linear equation in two variables. Example number 1. 2 times x plus 4 times y equal to 10. The variables is x and y. Number 2. 2 times a minus 5 times b minus 10 equal to 0. The variables is a and b. Number 3. 10 times k minus 7 times l plus 9 equal to 2 times l. The variable is k and l. Number 4. 15 minus 7 times n plus 3 times n equal to 0. The variable is n and m. Number 5. 21 times c minus 5 plus 2 times d equal to 15 times d. The variable is c and d. Next, note example linear equation in two variables. Number 1. 2 times y minus 2 equal to 0. This expression is linear equation in one variable. Number 2. 6 times x minus 17 equal to 2 times x. This expression is linear equation in one variable. Number 3. 3 times a times b plus 3 equal to 0. This expression not linear equation. Number 4. 6 times x to the power of 2 plus 7 times y equal to 20. This expression is not linear equation because the Higgs index of power of the variable x is 2. Number 5. 5 times n to the power of 3 plus 2 times m to the power of 2 minus 15 equal to 0. This is not linear equation because the Higgs index of power of the variable n is 3. Next, 4. Formulating mathematical sentence for word problem of linear equation in two variables. Next, example this, and the solution is, well, let's two pieces of information they give us in each of these statements can be converted into an equation. The first one is that the cost of 2 albums and 4 light stickering is $212. Then they told us that the cost of 2 albums and 2 light stickering is $153. So we can translate this directionally into equation. if we let A to be the cost of an album and L to be the cost of a light stickering. This first statement up here say that's 2 times the cost of an album or 2 albums plus 4 times the cost of a light stickering is going to be equal to 212. So this equation is 2 times A plus 4 times L equal to 212. That's exactly what this first statement is telling us. The second statement, the cost of 2 albums and 2 light stickering. So, if I have 2 albums and 2 light stickering, they are telling us that is $153. The equation is 2 times A plus 2 times L equal to 153. Therefore, the system of the equation is 2 times A plus 4 times L equal to 212. Second equation is 2 times A plus 2 times L equal to 153. Thank you.